YouTube, what's going on, fam? It's your girl Raquel, and I'm back, y'all. I got my Boxycharm boxes. If I don't look excited about it, it's because I'm not. I just got them on Friday. Friday would have been the 22nd of the month. I don't know what's going on since this new change with Boxycharm. I never give my boxes to the end of the month. Yeah, I could have did it on Saturday, could have did it on Sunday, but y'all was pissed. I honestly decided not to do them. But then I got a few inboxes saying, did you get your Boxycharm, girls? What did you get, girl? What did you get in your box? So I decided to go ahead and do it. So anyway, let's just get into these boxes. I got the premium box, which is super light, and I got the base box. So let's just jump into January's base box and see what we got. Yeah, I've been on the fence about keeping these subscriptions. I don't know, y'all. I'm feeling some kind of way, and especially about the late delivery. Inside of the box, this says Boxycharm Fresh Start. I guess this is relative to them starting over with a new company. I might not be so mad, y'all. I might be calming down just a little bit. I got the Pharmacy Deep Sweep 2% BHA Pore Cleansing Toner. I had this on my list. It's in my cart right now at Sephora. Can you say, watch me eat my words backwards? Because this here just paid for this $25 box. Yes, I ate my words real quick before I could get them out good. Okay, I am happy to have this, and I can go take it out of my cart, this box. Maybe I won't, consider getting rid of this box for a little bit longer. Because this cost, it says the pharmacy toner is $28. The box is $25, so I'm good. This is the, what does it say? BHA 2% after morning eat papaya. So I'm happy to get this. This saved me. Okay, I ain't going to keep saying it, but I'm happy to get that. The next thing I see here, I don't want to see because we didn't got, this is a new item. Dr. Jart. You know who's getting Dr. Jart and Boxycharm boxes so much. This says this is Dr. Jart. I'm sorry, Dr. Brent. Do not age with the Dr. Brent triple peptide eye cream. And this eye cream, this eye cream is $82. $82. So I can clearly and professionally say with a straight face, I would not have gotten this if it had not been in a box. That's what it looks like. It's the DNA eye cream. And this is one of those things that I will start using immediately. Immediately. It says it's deeply hydrating peptide power eye. Helps diminish all signs of aging. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and open this because I'm going to start using this not right now because I got on makeup, but really soon. $95, and I'm pretty sure I just use a little dot like that every time I use it. But yeah, this is going to be something that I use immediately every day because these little wrinkles under my eyes and they be dry. Hopefully this will fix that up. The next thing I see in here is Bali Balm Sweet Orange and Coconut Lip Balm. That's what it says. This is a $33. Essential oil, sweet orange, and coconut gives the lip balm a citrusy, tropical aroma and silky smooth consistency. A $33 lip balm by Bali Balm. Okay. Oh wow. That's what it looks like. Okay. I gotta see what it feels like. Oh, okay. That's how it looks. Oh, it feels kind of heavy. Oh, and it smells minty. Okay, this is one of those balms that I'm going to need to have in my purse so I can lift up my mask, put a little bit on, and keep it going. And my lips won't be dry and cracky. This box is good. This is the best base box I've gotten in a while. The next thing I see here is Lord Geller High Def Glow. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. This is what this looks like. I don't know if the lights are washing it out. Let me hold it back. But it's like a gold And I like gold. How much is this? $33. High Def Glow and Illuminator. It says a heart of gold. This duo features a shimmer that radiates. Okay, I'm going to read all that. But look, I hope that's helping y'all see this color better without the lights washing it out. Let me just put some on. How about that? I'm going to go with the gold. See what it looks like. Oh, it's like a, oh, there we go. It's like a light wash of color, not a lot. Whew, too much. Woo. That made me sneeze. Excuse me, y'all. Okay. This is go. This is a go. How much is this? $33. Another item I probably would not have purchased or seen because Laura Geller has kind of slipped and fell off the map, but I'm happy to have it in here. And the last thing in here looks like a palette. Oh, it is. Ciate, the Velvet palette. That's what the packaging looks like. And it says it's, excuse me, y'all. I got the powder got me sneezing. Okay, it says the molten metal matte looks with this palette. You can make matte looks. It says it's $30. The Velvet palette. Okay, that sounds good. Oh, it's cute. Ciate London palettes have been hit and miss for me. I hope this one is a hit. Ooh, this is beautiful. Look at that. Those shades are beautiful. Look at that. That is beautiful. Okay, I cannot wait to try this, and I like the size. I like the size. It'll be a perfect traveling palette. I'm just going to swatch a few. Oh, wow. These feel like those jelly. Real soft. Okay. Okay, I can't wait to use it to see how it functions. So far, I like it. I like it. And if I didn't say, this little palette is $30. And that's what those few little shades I swatched look like. But we got to remember, I got stuff on the back of my hand. So I'll let y'all know in the video when I use it, how it works. And this says, I don't know. And as far as the box number, that's crazy. And I hope everybody else got their stuff, their palettes by now, that I'm, that I'm just late getting mine. Okay. Let's jump into this premium box and see if it's as good as my base box, because that base box was hidden. Okay, let's see. Let's get it open. This is what it looks like and how it's packaged, but it's still, again, really light. Same card and this crazy number on the end. So let's see, what's the first thing I pull out? Lashes MD eyelash eyebrow conditioner. That's what it says. Lashes MD. And it says that this is $30. Get back to your pure self with Silver Pure. Oh, no. This is the wrong thing. Lashes MD. Oh, a lash serum that promotes fuller, stronger, healthier eyelashes and brows. You can use it on your lashes or your brows. That's what this looks like. And I will put this in my bathroom to start using it tonight to see how, it fills out my lashes and my brows. And hopefully it will do just that, because I need help in both sections. How much is that? Ooh, yeah, that's $69.75. I guess that covers the price of this $49 box. But I don't know if I would have paid $69. $70 for a lash serum. But I ain't going to say that till we see, the outcome. The next thing I got in here. Oh, okay, this is what I was reading. The PMD Silver Pure Makeup Removing Cloth. I guess I'll get to test this out tonight and see how it works, but it feels just like those makeup erasers that we got in a previous box. But I'll let you guys know how it works for me. And this was 30 bucks. The next thing I see in here is a Ofra Good to Go. I guess Ofra Cosmetics Good to Go palette. And this is $39. It says manifest good to go looks every time. This mini face palette. It's a face palette. Oh, okay. Looks like it has eyeshadows, highlights. Pretty nice colors. I don't have one of Ofra full size palettes, so I'll take advantage of this and let y'all know how it works. I haven't bought a palette in, okay, I'm about to lie. I have bought a few palettes. The Pat McGrath. We ain't gonna talk about that. Anyway, that palette is $39. The next thing I have in here is Summer Friday's Jet Last mask, and this mask is $48. I remember when this mask first came out and everybody was like going coupon. I almost bought it, but it was for dry skin. It said life turbulence means we can all get that lag, leaving skin stressed, tired, and thirsty. Used as a nightly mask, a daytime moisture, or in-flight lifesaver. Okay, it's a moisturizer, and when I read it, I was like, damn, that's oily skin, and ooh, that's $48. I ain't getting that, so I never got it. But this is what it looks like, and I think for me, not in the daytime, it'll work great at night or before bed. Just a mask to use, you know, in the nighttime. Again, for me, I feel like, you know, I don't need that much moisture. My skin be kind of oily. So I put on a not so oily moisturizer. One of those gel moisturizers before makeup. Ooh, that feels good though. Okay. That feels really good. Yeah, I'll use this at nighttime. Possibly, I don't know. Yeah, at nighttime, because I'd be afraid that it will make my skin get oily in the daytime before I need it to be, you know, okay to go ahead and oil up. Okay, the next thing I see, I dropped it. What is this? A Laura Mercier Caviar Stick color. I did look at these two in Sephora, but I never picked up one. It says a creamy eyeshadow stick with 12-hour wear that is crease and transfer resistant for a long finish, and it says it's $29. I don't really like the eyeshadow sticks, so that's why I kind of looked at it when it first came out, and I was like, nah. I think I even got a sample from Sephora, a mini one, and I'm still like, nah. I don't know, maybe that'll, instead of an eyeshadow, if it mattes up, that's what it looks like. If it mattes up pretty good, it might make a good eyeshadow base, but I don't think I would just wear that as a shadow. But y'all know me. I'm going to try it, and I'm going to let y'all know. How much did I say? Oh, $39. Okay, we'll see. I don't know what color this is. I got ginger. I don't know. It looks like one of them days where you just want to put some color on your lid but no color, or use it as an eyeshadow base. So I might get some use out of that. And the last thing in my box is Maracuja Miracle Mist Setting Spray Fix Up. Ooh, I don't think I ever heard of that. This says Tarte Maracuja Miracle Mist Setting Spray. Prepare to be obsessed with this ultra fine continuous vegan superfruit setting mist. Effortlessly refreshes skin and sets makeup for 12 hours. It's $23. Y'all know I'm obsessed with setting sprays. I got so many by me. I bought 2 of these. This is the Charlotte Tilbury. I got so many setting sprays. Y'all see them all over there lined up. So I'm excited about this. So I'm going to go ahead and use it right now. Okay. It's got a super fine mist. I'm cool with that. Kind of like the Morphe setting spray. I don't know how it's going to work, but I like the mister. And I ain't going to keep on talking and make this video any longer, y'all. Okay, that makeup wipes good. You got that off my hand. Okay, y'all, that's it for my Boxycharm unboxing. I'll be back probably tomorrow and unbox my IPSY because it just came the day before the Boxycharm, and that's just crazy. But we are in bad times. So y'all stay blessed, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.